I'm gonna take you. Happy birthday! Oh my God. Go guys! Surprise visitor. We're actually late. Hello. So today is a Monday and it's my birthday. While I'm doing this right now, I'm deep frying the chicken and medyo ginatansya-tansya na ko siya kung pag-adto na ko dito, dili pa ba siya sunog. So actually nakaano man siya, low heat. Alright, so any plans for today? Well, as usual, I don't have one. Aside from the scheduled meetings, I actually have 2 meetings today. And after that, I'm gonna take you for the first time to the feast. And actually guys, giluas ko. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you know it.
Okay, lintan.
Wala. Happy Monday. Morning freshness. Guys, dili pa kompleto akong skincare. Pero importante gid nga. Aura jud akong buhok ko, diba? What a perfect timing. Nalabyan mo sa akong suking. So maglahos ko Nazareno para nag-consent I would be able to attend class. Yun. Pero technically, mo rin nga book mass ang fees. Dili ma-fly away ang itong mga hair aside sa pagbabal. Save ang atong pagka-blower. Guys, so I'm done lighting candles and I'm on my way na to the office. So, sakas ako diri sa overpass. Ayok, dali ako makasakay.
I can see it in your eyes, like chemistry, stare right in the night. It's all the can defeat. Won't you tell me that it's real? You're in my feelings. I can't believe that.
Authenticated.
Thank you. Aircon. Thank you. Good morning. A bear. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Hello guys, a little update. So you just saw me bringing a speaker. So I'm gonna set this up for our bid opening this morning, and I hope that I wouldn't like really panic, and so that I would be able to film like a snippet lang of the whole thing. And I have here the camera and this one. So we're just gonna project the bid proposal here, and it will flash dito sa projector. So yeah, bid opening will be at 10 a.m. And right now, it's already 8:57, so it's almost 9 a.m. And nah, I have to set up na. Let's go! I'm gonna set up.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So I'm gonna do like a mic test kung ga-work ba. Siyempre, I'm gonna use Mimi para medyo bob. Let's see if it's working. Oh my God! Here comes the struggle. Okay, I'm gonna fix it first. I'm gonna get back to you once okay na siya. Thank you! Ano sa man?
Nag-care ka?
Okay.
Straight?
Ay, dili. Nag-plan siya na.
Ay, okay.
Wala pa yung MYB.
Ha?
Wala pa yung MYB.
Hoy!
So guys, finally, it's all set up, naka-set up na siya. So, medyo tandugonon lang gid siya. So, ako lang gid siya giipit diri nga side para chill lang gid siya sa iyahang life. So yeah, I guess we're all ready for our 10 a.m. meeting. Now, I have to update that board right there. Can you see that? I'm gonna update that one. Okay, hi. So I'm back here inside the conference room. I already brought markers and wipes. I'm gonna wipe, and I'm gonna update our bulletin.
I found you, I found you, yeah. So take your time, I can get enough. I just wanna dance with you, so can you?
All done. Okay, wait. Jenny, say hi.
Hello, magandang people.
Again. So I'm done writing. And also I'm gonna update. Kailangan yung project. We love projects.
So this is the bid proposal. This is the certificate of PhilJobs registration, platinum membership. So the certificate is valid until list of eligibility documents. The contract duration is 12 months. And the amount of contract at completion. So the contract duration is 12 months. Completed contract.
Okay, before we adjourn, we will
Hello everyone. Before we end this meeting po, kindly open your cameras for the documentation. So in 1, 2, 3. Thank you everyone. Thank you po.
The attendance marking also. One down.
Hindi pa naman ko.
Okay, yung city medyo mo na.
Wait, ikaw good. So guys, after our meeting, we have to deliver the meals and guba ang elevator. So I have to walk up to the 3rd floor carrying this. Diba? Laban lagi ng akong pag-aura. Exercise, diba? Bye, Sir Angel! Bye, Sir Boyet! Okay. See, guys. Guba ang elevator. Sa bagay, there's no elevator to success. So, I should use the stairs. Let's go! I'm actually gonna stop by to like an office because I have something very important to tell to one of our engineers with regard to something really important. And now I'm walking a little bit fast because I'm kind of hungry. I want to eat na. Mana po sa ako ang mission. Pero wala pa siya nahumaan kaya wala pa nasulbad, wala pa yung final destination, final verdict kung unsa gid ang muhang buhaton. So karon I'm walking to the office na and mga una siguro ta kay murag alas 12 naman ka, pili man jud ni. Murag naa jud pagkainit ang mga panahon. Hi. Hi! Good afternoon! I'm just gonna post it here para visible siya sa gawas. I'll be the one na mag-bid opening since morning man si Jenny. And Jenny is actually my partner. And this afternoon is infra siya na project which is infrastructure. I actually was not able to finish my lunch kay sakit yun ako ang luas. But good thing naka-quick nap. So ako sa siyang i-off para for the conserved energy. Hello.
Good afternoon, everyone. Can you show that?
Hello guys! So now I'm done. Medyo nag-loading. So I'm done with my bead openings for today, and hooray! Because I was able to film even just a snippet of it. And right now, I am, since nag-setup man ko ganina, I will also, sa English, sa hipuson. So, manghipos sapod ko this time, okay? So, hipuson na nako ni, and yes, we're done with the meetings. Good job, good job. Thank you, Lord. That's one of my greatest wishes, good, to have a smooth day. Now, let's keep it up. And it's 3:38 p.m. and this day is almost done, and I'm not yet done enjoying it. Charot. Yeah, usahay rabi ako mag-birthday. So, dapat for na enjoy, todo na to, na. And Mom just contacted me, and she said that she was going to buy me coffee. Oh my God! Let's go, guys. Oops. Okay. Just get that. Guys, I have a surprise visitor, like a surprise visitor. Bump is number 1. Just represent Margaret. Yeah, I'm so lucky. I'm so blessed. Baray ko naman magkaunan na. Hindi na ba ito hindi naman siya sasagot. The Cruffles. I have given this one too. Yeah. Ganina pita pag video no kanus Ma'am. Hi for the vlogger. We're going to the feast and we're already late. Oh, kamutan na sa tagpilay lang. Ikapila every time. We're actually late. We're here. Sir. Lagi. Hi, good evening.
Left side lang tayo this year.
Ay, kabayo niya dan, sorry. Ano ni aso-aso? First day, maguling mo. Pusa ko po. We're home. Welcome home. Mga late mo, kung sa gila.
I came here to work.
Happy Mother's Day, Oaks! Pero na akong the best.
One eternity later.
Hi guys. So this is the day after my birthday. Medyo na busy ang mga live sa kaganapan yesterday. I was not able to open this one. So I have a really big feeling that this is from Mel's, and I can't really guess what is it. No one gets Mel's na giver. Like, she's a giver. Let's see. What is this? Okay, kita mo na ako sa bukod. Mamaya, kabalo ko, ikaw ni. Hala! I have a coaster na. So cute. Ano, simot-simot. Oh my God, Mom Nels knows me so well. Ooh, there's a Vulcan. Hala! No need to further to explain it further. Yay! I have a cup. What's ni siya? Baso ni or taksa ni? Yay! I have a cup. Mels, if you're watching this video, I got you. So that's probably the last part of my vlog, and I apologize if I was not able to really vlog like the last night because everything happened so fast, and I was just having a really great time. I'm so happy, and I'm 25.
All of a friend